Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. You come to settings list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on content and media. Then you click here on manage saved feeds, and here can you select pen feeds here if you want to pen here discover or follow in or not. You just click on it and it's going to disable with you, and here can you delete it, and here can you save when you manage your edit. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.